I'm Nakul, I'm the co-founder at Dream Matches Studio and the proud owner of Aeqon 400V4. So we are a design studio and we love to create new products, and this Aeqon 400V4 gives us that opportunity. It's a very well-built, robust 3D printed by design, divided by zero, and we are quite happy with it because it is able to churn out the output that we need. Quick prototypes is what we do, and because of this machine speed, it is able to give us that quick response that we always need. We've also started with small batch production using this machine, and because of its robust output, we are able to actually incorporate parts that we have designed into our actual projects, which are actually being deployed on the field. I am quite happy with this machine. We've been using it for 6 months, and it has been one of the most workhorses for us because it is just going on and on without any complaint. And I would like to thank Swapnil because before buying this machine, we were quite skeptical of buying such a huge machine. But Swapnil was very clear in terms of what the machine was capable of, and it has not at all disappointed. So thank you, Divide by Zero, and we look forward to having many more machines.